Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling voice control so your iPhone listens reliably. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Voice Control, turn it on. Once done, download required language packs and allow microphone access, because accuracy depends on the right language model and clear audio. Make sure your device isn't in a noisy environment. Position the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Now that voice control is active, you're ready to use basic navigation commands and test simple phrases to confirm responsiveness. You'll move into using and tailoring voice control to match how you work. Start by speaking app and interface commands like open messages, tap send, or scroll down. Those are built in. Next, customize commands. Go to Accessibility, Voice Control, Customize Commands, then add a phrase mapped to a gesture or shortcut. This speeds repetitive tasks. If a label is ambiguous, use numbers or phonetic letters to select items, and say Show Commands to see available options on screen. Keep practicing to refine accuracy. You'll finish by integrating voice control into daily use and knowing how to recover when things go wrong. Practice common workflows inside your apps. Use commands like undo, delete, or tap back to correct input. Make sure to switch to Siri when you need natural language web or account tasks. Otherwise, voice control is better for interface control. If voice control becomes unresponsive, reboot the phone, remove and redownload language packs, or reset voice control settings. That single troubleshooting step often resolves recognition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.